It's ready.
Smoke goes up.
Ah!
What was it?
22 compared to.
That is a lot faster.